giraffe. Okay. So now for giraffe, I just doing first. Okay, I doing first here. You can draw with me. Start with me. Okay, to make circle. Okay, first nice circle like this. You can practice the circle. Okay, simple, very simple. How easy you can draw. Drawing is so simple. Okay, you just want to the techniques. So I make the circle first. Okay, and after the circle I just create over here. Okay, here this is 1 2, see, curve 1 2, curve line, here curve line, and here I'm using one oval like this. I can create here one oval. Okay, like this. Fine. Is it difficult or easy? This drawing, easy or difficult, beta? I hope it's so easy. Very good. Yeah. So now you can draw first this part. Okay. First draw. First see, and then you draw. Okay. But first see, then you draw. I draw only one drawing. Okay. So now after that, okay, circle and oval. Okay, beta. Circle and oval. Now you just go ahead to one straight line over here. Okay, so you just create like this, one more line like this. Why I do this? This is the eyes line and nose line. This circle is a head actually, and I create this because this is the nose line, this is the eyes line. Okay, so I draw eyes here and here. One eye is here and one eye is here. That's why I create that line. Okay, as simple as. So now I make it like this. Okay, simple eyes. Just first watch very minutely how I draw this drawing. I make one draw over here, one eye is over here. Okay, simple. Okay, beta. How to draw this curve line, curve line. Okay, very simple. Okay, fine. Now I draw the same eyes over here. Okay, the same proportion, I maintain that. I create here like this, but here I am not showing full eyes because this eyes is so inside, no, opposite side, so I cannot see this properly, this eyes. Okay, beta. So we can go ahead like this. Curve line, I create the curve line over here. Okay, beta. I create the curve line. Now, so both eyes are done. Okay, fine. Now here, see beta, here this circle, right? It's a circle. Here I can create it little modify like this. Little modify like this. Okay, I just make it little modify. So basic circle is the basic circle. Okay, I modify it. Right. So now here is a nose. Nose, eyes and ear all is the same proportion, all character. Okay, beta. Nose, eyes and ear all is the same proportion. Okay, same line. This is the same line you can create. I just show you. So nose is a oval like this. Okay, it's very easy. If you tell that is a you understood, then I can go ahead the next steps. Okay, otherwise I'm not going next steps. You just tell, okay, you understood beta. If anybody not understand, I show you again and again. Don't worry. Okay, how to develop the character of animal, any animal, with the help of circle and oval. See, I just make it some curve line over here, curve line. Okay, beta. Now I just create over here. So I just little modify it. Okay, beta. See, now the nose, eyes and ear the same proportion, so I can just do like this here. Okay, eyes, I can create here eyes. Okay, okay beta. Now here, so nose, eyes and ear the same position. So here also I draw one oval like this. This is the oval shape. I draw just one oval like this. Okay, I make some oval like this. आराम से, okay beta, आराम से you make this oval like this. Okay, fine. This is the giraffe ear. First oval and then just join the oval over here. That's it. Nothing tough things. So easy. Okay, it's just like this. I add the ear over here, and next another ear, the nose, eyes and ear the same proportion like this. Okay, so another one also here only. Okay, so I can create one line like this. How much bigger it is, I make one line like this. You just watch first and then slowly starts. Okay, don't worry, take time lots and slowly just first see how step I am going. Okay, step by step. Okay, I modify like this. Now I here draw the two in the middle of head. Here two horn. Okay, like this horn. Okay, here's make horn. आराम से. Okay, this one horns I draw, another horns I draw over here. Okay, like this. आराम से. Okay, this is the horn, and here I just the neck. The neck is coming from this position. Okay, so using the help of circle, take circle, how circular help step by steps. Okay, after that I show the steps over here. Okay, so don't worry, we are creating this for the shape. Okay, like this, and I just do something. Okay, like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. How easy. By the way, my name is Tapun Roy. I am working in Disney by Zoo in Bangalore as a senior lecturer and concept artist. So I make maximum Disney characters, Disney oriented drawing, storyboards and characters. Okay, basically the project of Disney. So I love to draw the animals and humans and all those things. I hope that you understand when you see my drawing. My coordinator is saying the few drawing. Have you got it? This drawing all? Yes. My coordinator sent few pictures, right? Isn't it? Yes, right. So this is, so I just make it first little. Now your time start. You can just try to draw slowly. Take time. Aram se. If anywhere you are not understand, okay, you just message me in. Okay, I show you again and again. Okay, I try to make again and again show to how I draw this one. Okay, fine. So see how easily you can draw. Okay, so I just show you one things more. That is step 1, circle like this. Step 1 is circle. Step 2, I draw circle, but I draw here one line, and that line help me a lot to create this step 2. Okay, so this is step 2, this is step 1, and now step 3, I just make it circle. The basic how we draw. Okay, I just basic draw like this. Step 3, you make the neck, and rest of the things you can start. You just draw one thing. This is the eyes line. Okay, so make the eyes over here, this line. Okay, and mouth, and start the horn. Okay, so this is a 1, 2, 3 steps. Now your time starts. You take time, aram se take time and make it your own giraffe. Okay, in between times I giving the 5 minutes more, 5 to 10 minutes. You can just try to make your own. Okay, beta, is it okay? Fine, you understood? Yes and no? Yes, that's like a good boy. Let's start. I just make some this structures over here. Okay, don't worry. You start. Okay, slowly, aram se. If anywhere you are not understand, okay, I'm not sitting down only. I just making some shading. Okay, it's not neat. You just make the shape only. Okay, I am happy only if you only draw the shape. No need to the shading. But I show you because that's not sitting down. I just do something else. So I make some shadings. Okay, you no need shading. You just draw the outlines. Okay, that's it. This is enough. And maintain the techniques. What are circle techniques I show you? That is really help you a lot to draw. Remember that any drawing if you want to draw in future, so how you are draw very nicely. Okay, fine. You take time. After 10 minutes, I hope that you finish it, and then we can go ahead the next drawing like a birds. Any drawing it start from the circle. So I can whatever you want. I show you. Okay. Aram se. Take time. Aram se. So the structure of giraffe is very colorful and very interesting. Okay, like this. I just make its little settings. Okay, so every drawings, if you have a patience lots, you can create amazing drawing. Okay, you just need some lots of patience, and you should know the techniques, and you need the good gurus who guide you lots properly. Okay, that is, I got my gurus in my childhood age. So you can, sometimes I'm using the tissue paper for shape drawing and little bit of sometimes shadings. Okay, you try. Okay, some areas if you want to need this erasing, we can erase like this. Some texture creation. Somewhere if you need the pencil, I'm using the lots of nice pencil I have. For dark shadings I'm using just charcoal, or you can go to the Camlin, this heavy dark pencil, Staedtler. So I'm using this Staedtler, I'm using the pencil of Artline, I'm using Opsora 9000, all those very good pencils. Okay, you can use this Artline, Staedtler, Faber-Castell 9000 and Opsora. This is for Camlin, it's very nice. So you can erase after that this thing. You take time and आराम से करो and then show me. Okay beta, we can go ahead after that. So we can go. Little shading. आराम से okay. You can make it class. Wow, very nice. Yes. It's awesome beta. This is really great. Okay, we are going to the next steps. Okay, I just create little bit of 2 minutes time I spend these things. Okay, it's awesome beta. Your good name, you tell that. I forgot. Once again, so write down your good name. You are so talented beta. I send you video this. Sir, did you see my message? Yes, you see your message beta. Just I forgot again. You just tell your names once. Yeah, I see your message properly. Yeah, every message I see beta. Okay, I just make it. Okay, fine. So I just make it this part little dark. Yeah, can I see something like it? Yes beta, please do something. Please, you want to show something? Okay, little up beta, little off. Your paper. Okay, this is some safe, right? Is it any related of freedom? Very nice. Wow. Oh, Navy, right? It is the Indian Navy. You draw this? Excellent. It is. Okay, you drew with a pencil, a pen, right? Isn't it? It is a pen. Yes, it's awesome. I like that. It's really creative. So if your family, if anybody artist, your mama or your family is your father or grandfather, anyone?